Namaste, salam, sat sri akal, good evening Singapore. A very warm welcome to Radio Masti 96.3 FM, Singapore का एकमात्र हिंदी रेडियो स्टेशन. और जैसे कि आप जानते हैं आज है शनिवार की शाम यानी कि Saturday evening and it's 5 o'clock. I've got a very special surprise for all of you. आपको मौका मिलेगा एक बड़ी ही talented लड़की से मिलने का who's here in front of me sitting in the studios of Radio Masti 96.3 FM because as you know Radio Masti 96.3 FM is going to turn 2 very soon और इस बार हम आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं सिंगापुर का biggest talent hunt called Masti Showcase 2011 और Masti Showcase 2011 में हमारे associate partner है Dream Catchers and I'm very pleased and honored to be introducing Shalima Motial who is sitting in front of me right now and she is the CEO and founder of Dream Catchers. A very warm welcome to you, Shalima. कैसी हैं आप?
Thank you so much, Mehak, and good evening, listeners. I'm doing very well. I'm so pleased to be here, Mehak.
क्या बात है मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है finally that you're here and we are going to talk about Masti Showcase, we're going to talk about you, we're going to talk about what all you've been involved into और इसके साथ ही साथ में हमारे सभी सुनने वालों के पास में मौका होगा शालिमा की तरफ से कुछ स्पेशल वाउचर्स जीतने का तो उसके लिए सवाल भी पूछेंगे थोड़ी देर में. फिलहाल बात करते हैं कि शालिमा ये जो ड्रीम कैचर्स आपकी कंपनी है which is a very unique concept in Singapore. उसके बारे में बताइए. Tell people about it. What is it all about?
See, Dream Catchers is the only online talent showcase company in Singapore. There isn't any such platform for people to, showcase their talent sitting at home, get famous right from your house. You can record yourself and upload your videos online and get the entire Singapore or the entire world actually to vote for you. So this is like, such an easy option for everyone who's talented in all performing arts. And here, Masti Showcase 2011 is giving all dancers and singers a wonderful opportunity to showcase their talent through Dream Catchers.
जी हाँ, तो now you know, if you think you can sing or dance, it is your opportunity. तो आज ही अपना एक वीडियो जो है वो बनाइए. तो शालिमा बताइए कैसे मस्ती शोकेस 2011 के लिए सब लोग अपना वीडियो बना के अपलोड कर सकते हैं. What are the easy steps?
It's actually very easy. If you're a singer or a dancer, just record yourself singing, dancing and upload. हाँ, वीडियो बनाइए आप 2 से 4 minutes तक का वीडियो बनाकर आप उसको YouTube पे अपलोड कर दीजिए and then you get on to www.dreamcatchersvision.com and there's this very simple form to be filled in which you have to just mention your name, your email ID, your age and that you're performing for Masti Showcase 2011 and cut paste that YouTube link and put it onto the form. Submit. That's all. That's like 3 easy steps and your road to stardom is open.
Absolutely. And अभी तो इतनी सारी एंट्रीज आ गई है मस्ती शोकेस 2011 के लिए and आज ही सुबह जब मैं देख रही थी dreamcatchersvision.com so I was like oh my god these people are so talented.
Absolutely. Singapore में talent कूट के भरा है. And now it's, Dream Catchers and Masti Showcase 2011 is giving opportunity to all these talented people to, just make a video, upload it on Dream Catchers and get famous. So ये बिल्कुल इन्हें मौका नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए.
हाँ बिल्कुल यही आपके लिए मौका है because you're going to win some really exciting prizes और हमारी 15 जो फर्स्ट एंट्रीज हैं उनके लिए हमने अनाउंस किया था कि उनको मिलेगा कुछ बहुत ही खास. वो 15 नाम कौन से ये भी आपको हम जो है बताएंगे कुछ ही देर में ऑन रेडियो मस्ती 96.3 FM. फॉर नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर मी टू गेट इनटू अ शॉर्ट म्यूजिकल ब्रेक. वापस आते हैं बात करते हैं मस्ती शोकेस 2011 के बारे में और जानते हैं शालिमा की पर्सनल एंड प्रोफेशनल लाइफ के बारे में भी. मैं आपकी बातचीत करा रही हूँ आज रेडियो मस्ती 96.3 FM पर शालिमा से. Shalima is the CEO and founder of Dream Catchers और Dream Catchers हमारा associate partner है in Masti Showcase 2011, the biggest talent hunt on Expat Radio, जहाँ पर singers and dancers को एक platform दिया जा रहा है as Masti 96.3 FM turns 2. So Shalima, talking about Dream Catchers, ये idea कहाँ से आया? Who actually sparked? How did this idea come to you? कि एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म देना चाहिए सबको जहाँ पे everybody can come, online voting हो सकती है. कैसे शुरू हुआ?
Actually, we've been in Singapore for a very long time and Diwali performances हम लोग करते हैं हर साल और मेरे friend circle में ही इतने talented लोग हैं. Someone's a phenomenal dancer, someone sings so well, someone's a very great actress and actor and just once a year performance. I mean, that's just not fair, right? So we thought करते हैं कुछ या event करते हैं. So we started off with Love to Dance, which I came here again for an interview. I remember a couple of months back, and so that went really well by God's grace. It was very successful. Now events, you know, that's sort of little overrated. You can't just keep doing events all the time. Then the idea came along that everything's online. Everyone's spending so much time online. Everyone's on Facebook, Twitter. So, you know, why not do something which is easier for people? Because events, you need to practice a lot. Then, you know, there's so much arrangement around events. Online is so much easier, right? You just shoot a video and upload it, and that's it. Then the rest of the janta does work for you by voting. There are judges who will rate you. So that's how it came about. And by God's grace, it's doing well. We have lots and lots of entries, lots of requests and questions every day. You know, how do we go about it? And thanks so much for coming up with something like this, you know, a platform for singers, dancers, actors, comedians, people like that. So, yeah, it's doing well.
Very well. And you also have another contest running on dreamcatchersvision.com.
That's right.
What's that about?
Let's ask the audience that. Let's ask the listeners that, actually. That's the question for which I'm giving out Starbucks voucher worth $20. They can go enjoy a coffee. So the question is, what is the other contest going on dreamcatchersvision.com other than Masti Showcase 2011? Answer that and you can win yourself a voucher.
So how do you answer that? Very simple. All you need to do is pick up your mobile phone, type my RJ space, अपना आंसर लिखिए, नाम लिखिए, NRIC लिखिए और लिख कर उसे भेजिए 72346 पर. Welcome back to Radio Masti 96.3 FM Singapore. मैं हूँ आपके साथ RJ Mehak and in conversation with Shalima, who is the CEO and founder of Dreamcatchers. Shalima, talking about Dreamcatchers here, you are associated with Masti Showcase 2011 also. How are you feeling being a part of the biggest talent hunt in Singapore on radio?
Well, I'm very proud and very ecstatic to be a part of this because it is something new, it is something exciting, and then to be a part of, Radio Masti 96.3 FM, अरे बहुत मजा आ रहा है. And second anniversary celebration है भाई, कोई छोटी बात थोड़ा है.
That's correct. And second anniversary है और हम सब लोग मिलके आपको दे रहे हैं एक प्लेटफॉर्म, एक मौका to showcase your talent. All you need to do is make a video of your performance, singing or dancing, not exceeding the length of 4 minutes, and upload it on www.dreamcatchersvision.com. और शालिमा, Dreamcatchers Vision जो है वो I'm sure बहुत सारी इसके अंदर खासियत है. So why don't you tell people more about it? I mean, what is the USP of it?
Well, the USP is online auditions, online voting. You know, it's not that once you upload your video, you don't know the fate of it. It's so transparent. You can see what is your rating, how many people have voted for you. There's comments people post, you know. So the negative comments also help sometimes. You can improve your skills. People give you good comments that encourages you. Then, you know, the most unique part is contextual rating. So if you want to know who are the top 10 singers in Singapore, it'll show you that. You want to know who are the top 10 guitarists in Singapore? It'll show you that. And very soon we're going to open it to other countries as well. So supposing, you know, in 3 to 4 months' time, you want to just know the top 10 drummers in Philippines. So there will be a contextual ranking and search accordingly, which no other website does.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Thank you.
Congratulations for having something like that. And also, अगर आप इस वक्त हमें सुन रहे हैं, तो Shalima has got a voucher for you. Starbucks का बड़ा ही special voucher है जो Shalima आज देना चाहती हैं शो पर. अगर आप ये जीतना चाहते हैं तो आपको मुझे बताना है, हमें बताना है कि www.dreamcatchersvision.com पर मस्ती शोकेस 2011 के साथ में एक और कॉन्टेस्ट चल रहा है. उसका नाम क्या है? And you know what? I'm going to give you a hint. You can just log on to www.dreamcatchersvision.com and see it and answer. Pick up your mobile phone, type my RJ space, अपना आंसर लिखिए, नाम लिखिए, NRIC लिखिए और लिख कर उसे भेजिए 72346 पर. And for this question, you just have about 5 minutes to answer. Make sure you answer now. Welcome back to Radio Masti 96.3 FM Singapore. मैं हूँ आपके साथ RJ Mehak and this evening हमारे साथ में अभी तक जो है बात कर रही है एक बहुत ही प्यारी सी लड़की जिनका नाम है Shalima and Shalima is the CEO and founder of Dreamcatchers. और Dreamcatchers देता है आपको एक platform to make a name for yourself and showcase your talent to the entire world. एंड साथ ही साथ में देयर इज ऑप्शन वेयर यू कैन एक्चुअली गेट वोटेड ऑनलाइन और भी बहुत सारी चीजें. सो व्हाई डोंट यू लॉग ऑन टू www.dreamcatchersvision.com and see more about it. And in the end, Shalima, it is time that we first announce the name of our winner for this voucher that you are giving away on radio today.
Sure. It's Neeta Bajaj.
Neeta, congratulations for winning this special Starbucks voucher जो कि ड्रीम कैचर्स की तरफ से आपको मिलता है आज रेडियो मस्ती 96.3 FM पर. And before I say thank you to you, Shalima, two questions that I want to ask. One,
Sure.
What do you want to say to people about Masti Showcase 2011?
Well, I would like to invite all talented singers and dancers in Singapore. Masti Showcase 2011 is giving you this opportunity. Grab it. And if you're not into singing or dancing yourself, help a friend or a family member catch their dream on Dreamcatchers Vision in association with Masti Showcase 2011.
All right. Also, you know what? It's very interesting that Shalima, I want to, I always wondered कि जो लोग ऐसे अपलोड करते हैं अपना वीडियो अपनी परफॉर्मेंस उन लोग के बहुत सारे इमोशंस उसके साथ में जो है वो इन्वॉल्व होते होंगे और साथ ही साथ में people are there commenting, somebody is commenting nicely, somebody is giving a little negative feedback or whatever it is.
Right.
But then what do you want to say on behalf of Dreamcatchers to all the participants of Masti Showcase 2011?
I would say if you're passionate about what you're doing, negative comments shouldn't bother you at all. In fact, use them to better yourself in whatever art you're in. And the positive comments always help, don't they?
All right. So with that, it's time that I say thank you so much, Shalima, for joining me in the studio this evening. It was really, really a pleasure speaking with you.
Same here, Mehak. The pleasure was all mine. Thank you so much. And please make a video and upload it right away.
Okay, with that, it's time that I play a very sweet song जिसे सुन के हम सब के अंदर का जो बच्चा है वो आ जाता है बाहर, and that is लकड़ी की काठी.